the civil services aspirants, those who are waiting to write preliminary examination, UPSC has declared the revised schedule, that is this year prelims, which is supposed to be held originally on May 31st, has been now postponed with a lot of suspense and a lot of waiting, long waiting. Now the examination which was supposed to be conducted on May 31st, 2020 is now postponed to October 4th, 2020. So the UPSC board has completely announced the rescheduled timetable, and the mains examination for the students who are writing on October 4th, 2020 will be conducted from Jan 8th, 2021. I repeat, the examination is postponed. Prelims examination of UPSC, that is IAS, IPS, whatever you name it as, is postponed now to October 4th, 2020, which was actually supposed to be conducted on May 31st, 2020. It's a good news once again, because all of us have been disturbed and coaching centers have been disturbed, students have been disturbed, and students were constantly calling us and asking us when, etc. Now the suspense is gone. And the mains examination, if you are writing prelims examination in the month of October 4th, 2020, your mains examination is going to be held on Jan 8th, 2021. And the current students who are actually waiting for interview, that will start from July 20th. The students whose interview has been waiting, has been on hold, they will be, their interviews will start from July 20th onwards. That is the latest update. And now BRICS Academy is conducting mock test series for this, and online classes also. BRICS Academy, which is BRICS IAS Study Circle, which is located at Hyderabad and Bangalore. In Hyderabad, we are there at Kukatpalli. We are providing basically the online classes of all the subjects, both online, offline. If in case in the month of July, if the government allows classes to be conducted, we are going to conduct live classroom classes as well as online classes. So online platform will be continuous, and mock exams we are starting from today, that is Friday, that is today onwards. Mock test 1, every week you will have 2 mock exams. Interested students, with a very reasonable fee, you can get get registered and start writing mock exams, and along with mock exams we will be able to give you solutions as well. So close to 50 mock exams we have lined up, so make use of this opportunity, and you have lot of time, plenty of time. You can start preparing, you can relax now. Revision, 2-3 times revision you can do. Definitely you will be able to crack this exam. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day.